Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, Vechain video update on what's actually happening. It's looking nice, up to 10% right now. Everything is like only 5%, but Vechain is up 10%, so good for you guys, good going, good going. So we're gonna talk about what's actually happening now and stuff like that. But before we go there, check out the Telegram channel down in the description if that's your thing. Like if you want to talk about Vechain and stuff in the videos I make, like I'm guessing there are a lot of people like you in the Telegram channel. It's not that big Telegram channel, only a couple of hundred people, you know, it's nice and cozy, so you know, do check it out. That said, let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with Vechain. It looks mighty nice. I don't think you guys understand how nice Vechain looks. It looks so basically the daily indicators are like RSI is nice. We got this bullish close down here, super nice, so we are going up. Weekly we have been bullish forever on the weekly on the MACD, but RSI is only at 87, so this got a room to grow. It's got room to go even further up. So what has been happening lately is that we have been in this channel over here. You see this channel big, let me just look at this. This channel, big channel over here. This upper line is resistance, but this first two lines, that's the channel. So we've been going in this channel up slowly up here, right? And now in the last part of this channel, we have been actually making some kind of a wedge, rising wedge, right? Going down, up, up again here, and now we are breaking right over here on this wedge over here, and the target should be around 16 or something like that, give or take, depends on how long it takes to get up there. But this midline, this resistance line is the target, the first target, and that's very important. So what we want to see is actually right now, it's actually this target, hitting this, maybe getting some and getting above this line. This line is very important. That's the next resistance line for the Vechain when it's going higher up, and we want to see it go back down, and if it can confirm this line as a support line, because once you break resistance, it becomes support. Now it's support line. Once we go back there, if it can confirm the support, likelihood to getting all the way up to this target up here at 0.4, it's very likely. It's very likely. But it's a little bit further down down the road into the future. I don't think we're gonna hit it today or something like that. We are still pretty low. But right now the target is this line over here. Right now today is at 0.16, tomorrow is at 0.16, so it's still up. How many? It's still up 15-20% up to where our target should be. So the best case scenario is we go up, hit this target up here, and then we maybe retrace or go sideways, hit this resistance line that was a support line, either sideways or maybe all jump down as fast as it can, and then go up. But that, no, sorry, that doesn't sound plausible, because it's just too much of a drop. It can happen, because we can go down there like over here, see here. But one way or other, we have to retest this line, this support line. We have to retest it as this resistance line, we have to retest as support line. So we gotta get it back and test it. I don't know if we're gonna do that on the daily, maybe on the 4-hourly. You can see here it's slowly trying to get above the line. Maybe this was a retest, maybe the line is a little bit wrongly drawn, so let's try to redraw the line. You know, that's the beauty of technical analysis. You can always redraw stuff. Yeah, on the 4-hourly it looks better. So yeah, so this looks better on the 4-hourly than on the daily that I drew it. So this looks like we broke it, because it was clearly holding here, and this looks like a retest, so we might actually already got the retest we need. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna go all the way up to the 0.16 line. So that's very nice. And you know, from the previous video that I said, Vechain has been slowly growing. It's a steady grow, slow and steady wins the race, you know. And I think this is gonna continue. You have to, what the things I'm watching right now is I'm seeing picking up the pace. So basically, let's remove this just for a second, and basically this line down here was acting as a support for a long time, right? it was acting as a support for a long time, but here the pace is changing. We are no longer hitting the line, we are hitting this line over here. So now this line becomes very important in the uptrend, and you're gonna see maybe all the way down, falling down to back to the line and bouncing up. But the speed of the climb is increasing, and I think this is only second climb before we get to the third and the final climb. That's gonna be a blow off top. That comes something here when it gets there and starts climbing this very steep line. That's the when you get blow off top. Usually doesn't go, usually goes like this and then goes and try to climb it and then it falls below everything, and then the game is over. So how long it's gonna get, I'm not saying it's gonna end up here, it might go a lot higher. This is just drawn on the by hand, but it looks like this is the line that we should actually follow. This one over here, this is the line. This is the picking up the speed. So I don't think we're gonna see these levels down here again. I don't think that's the case. I think we are finished with this this area down here, and now it's just up from here. Okay, so this area, this is the finish, and we are now climbing, and we preferably want to get above this line here, at least if the bull market lasts out in June, you can be sure that it's gonna go all the way up to $1 up here, something like this. It all depends when the bull market finishes, right? Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Come back and see more of the Vechain videos, because we're gonna do update and we're gonna see how this is playing out. But right now the target is around 150. It's looking very nice, even though the moving averages are looking very nice. Yeah, moving on all time frames, moving averages are looking nice, super nice. So this is super bullish to me. I'm still super bullish on Vechain. Keep on going, do what you do. And if you like this analysis, you want to see analysis on other altcoins and stuff like that, we got this Patreon page where we do like 30-40 altcoins every single day, every day, daily altcoins video. If you want to see what's pumping, what's not pumping, what's supposed to pump, what's in correction and stuff like that, that's the video for you. So do check it out. It is quite a value for the money. That said, subscribe to the video to see more of Vechain's video, you know, so I can pop in your home screen and stuff like that. Also like the video because YouTube algorithm likes when you like my videos, you know, helps small channels grow and stuff like that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around, maybe later, maybe tomorrow, something like this. Bye bye.